Okay,
Yes, slugs and snails.
Yeah, this
Yes.
month for our product review we've been looking at 7 products and we've just got a few here to share with you. This one is called SlugLess and it comes in pellet form and it's very easy to apply. You sprinkle it on around your plant like that, and then what you have to do after that is apply some water, so water it in and then it all expands, and what happens is the snails, the slugs, don't like to slide over it because it takes all the moisture out of their feet. It's also a bit spiky as well. So you know, it's good for pots, but it's also very easy to apply on outdoor plants as well.
Yeah, good. Looks quite effective. And I've got this Grazers Slugs and Snails. I've used this actually before. Used it on my hostas around the garden. Anyone who grows hostas knows how badly they get nibbled, and it worked really well. So it's just a spray that you spray any vulnerable plants. It's organic, so you can spray edible things as well as ornamental ones, and it just deters them. I'm not really sure how, if I'm honest. It just seems to form a barrier, I suppose, over the leaves, and they don't like
the taste of it. I think that's what it is. Yeah.
But it certainly does seem to keep them off.
Yeah.
And one of the other popular methods is copper tape. And you can get this, this is a nice thick band actually. You literally put it around the top of your pots, and what it does is it kind of creates a little bit of an electrical charge, and once the slug or snail actually hits it, it gets a slight charge that they don't like, and sort of sort of recoil away, and then hopefully go off and eat something else other than your vegetables.
Yes. So again, another organic way of controlling them without using chemicals. So, and I think ours are just starting to wake up actually. So, yeah, we'll see how well they work.